That's amazing advice, Sarah. Benjamin, welcome Benjamin. Just occurred to me that in a few ways, mental health and financial health have some similarity in regards of self-honesty. Oh yeah, developing good habits and personal inventory. Thanks for sharing, everyone. Yes, yes, Benjamin, yes. So, financial health, you can look at money as your extension of your energy. And then where are you investing your attention is almost the same as where you're investing your money. Where are you giving your precious life force away? Are you giving it into something that's going to give it back to be reciprocal, or are you just wasting it? So an investment, whether it's money or your energy, needs to be into something that's going to be like a boomerang. Okay, I'm going to invest in this, but it's going to give something back. And then I'm going to invest a bit more, and then it gives something back. But if you're throwing your money on things that never give anything back, so for example, a bag of potato chips is instant gratification. It's not gonna, you're gonna throw money at it, it's not gonna give you like a rebounding thing that's gonna provide something. It's gonna be a little bit and then wither away. So you wanna invest in cycles. You wanna invest in like a vortex of energy, whether it's a person or it's let's say this week I bought myself a water distiller, and I know that that's gonna bring me good water for years and years to come. So this was an investment that's gonna keep on giving. So keep on giving. So whether it's money or your attention or whatever type of energy, look for things that when you invest in them, they give back. And then you invest even more and it gives back even more. We need to have our needs met. We need to vocalize our needs and get into that vortex of energy. Belinda says, experiencing their own process.